In last video, we studied the theorem of area of similar triangle, that according to this theorem, if two triangles are similar, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, okay, if the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of ratio of area of this two triangle, that is mean area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Means here if we take AB, then the corresponding sides of AB is PQ, so AB square upon PQ square. Okay, if we'll take BC, then here we have to take QR, so BC square upon QR square, or the last one is AC square upon PR square. Okay, this is by the ratio, this is by the theorem of area of similar triangle. Okay, area of similar triangle. Now let's see its application in practice set number 1.4. Now read the question from your textbook. What they have given: the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. Okay, so first of all, they didn't give the name of the triangle, so let the corresponding sides of a two similar triangle S1 and S2, and there the area be A1 and A2. Okay, so S1 be the side of triangle having area A1, and S2 be the side of a triangle having area A2. Okay, so here we have two triangle, and the those are the similar triangle. Okay, so triangle 1 is similar to triangle 2, that is given. Therefore, if triangles are similar, then what we studied, that the ratio of area of two triangle, means area of triangle 1, that is A1, upon area of triangle 2, that is A2, is equal to the corresponding side is S1 and S2, but it should be square, so S1 square upon S2 square. Now they have given the ratio of corresponding sides of a similar triangle is 3:5, so the ratio is given 3:5. Then find the ratio of the ratio of corresponding sides are given, and we have to find the ratio of their area. Therefore here A1 upon A2 is equal to 3:5 is the ratio of the corresponding sides, so 3 square upon 5 square. Okay, here we have to write reason by the theorem of area of similar triangle. Okay, now here A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25, so A1 is to A2 is equal to 9 is to 25, so the ratio of their areas is equal to 9 is to 25. Okay, now question number 2: if a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and AB is to PQ, means the ratio of the sides is given 2:3, then fill in the blank. Okay, we know the property, the ratio, if the triangles are similar, then the ratio of the area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So here AB is given in numerator. So corresponding sides of AB in PQR is PQ. So here we have to write PQ square. Okay, this is by the theorem of area of similar triangle. If the space is given, then we have to write the reason also, but here the space is not given. It's okay, but we should know the property is used, that is theorem of area of similar triangle. Okay, now AB, the ratio AB is to PQ is given 2:3. So instead of here AB square, we have to write 2 square, denominator 3 square, 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So the ratio of the area is equal to 4:9. Then question number 3, what they have given: if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC is given 80, PQR is given 125, then fill the blanks. Okay, once again we have to fill the blanks. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that is given. Now once again we have to apply the same theorem. By the theorem of area of similar triangle, the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of square of its corresponding sides. Now they have given AB square upon PQ square. Okay, here AB square upon PQ square by the theorem of area of similar triangle. Okay, now see, they have given the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR is 125. So area of triangle, instead of this we can write 80 upon 125 AB square upon PQ square. So 16 5za, so 16 5za and 25 5za. Okay, 125. So here 16 upon 25 is equal to AB square upon PQ square by taking square root both side. AB upon PQ. Okay, square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 25 is 5. So the final answer is 4 upon 5. Okay, so this is what we have to find. AB upon PQ we have to find, that is 4 upon 5. Then question number 4. Read the question. In triangle LMN, triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. One relation is given: 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. QR is given 20, then find MN. Okay, so first of all, we don't have the ratio of area of a two triangle, and also we don't have the ratio of its corresponding sides, but we have the relation of area of triangle PQR and area of triangle LMN. Okay, so first of all, from this relation find out the area of this two triangle. So take 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. This is given. Okay, now find out the ratio of area of triangle PQR to the area of triangle lmn is equal to 16. Take 9 on right hand side, so it goes in denominator, 16 upon 9. Okay, now so area of triangle PQR to area of triangle LMN is 16:9. Now triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR, that is given. Okay, therefore area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, once again we have to use the property of the theorem of area of similar triangle. Okay, so here we have to find the length of MN. So take MN, so MN square, and in denominator corresponding sides of MN in triangle PQR is QR square. Okay, so here by the theorem of area of similar triangle. Okay, so here we have the area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN is equal to 16 upon 9, and here we have LMN in numerator and PQR in denominator. No worry, just invert this one. Okay, so if we take LMN in the numerator and PQR in denominator, then it becomes 9 upon 16. Okay, so instead of LMN and PQR, what we can write is 9 upon 16 is equal to MN square upon QR square.